Developments tonight over a popular form of birth control, including a new warning from the FDA. But local women affected by the device say it's not enough. The FDA announced that it intends to add a boxed warning to Essure, a form of permanent birth control offered to women as an alternative to having your tubes tied. The device has been the subject of controversy for years after thousands of women reported complications to the FDA. 9 News Side's Ricky Mitchell has reaction from a local woman who says she's in daily pain.
I found out that the coil had migrated.
Cecilia Bogle says after she received Essure in 2009, she learned that the device had broken into pieces inside her body.
They located several more fragments, and they weren't able to retrieve any of the fragments.
Essure is a form of permanent birth control where a doctor inserts 2 metal coils into a woman's fallopian tubes. The body builds scar tissue around the coils, blocking the tubes. The FDA says it reviewed a significant amount of research on this device, including more than 5,000 adverse event reports, and it has now ordered that the manufacturing company Bayer conduct a clinical study to examine the risks of the device.
We continue to believe there's a reasonable assurance of safety and effectiveness, and we do think the very specific follow-up and questions that are being required of Bayer in the post-market surveillance study will address some of the gaps that have been identified.
The FDA says it acknowledges that some women may experience serious complications with the device, including persistent pain, perforation of organs, abnormal bleeding, and allergic reactions. In addition to a mandatory boxed warning, the FDA is requiring a new patient decision checklist that women must sign before the procedure.
I do think it will deter women. I do think that the black box will definitely make the doctors take a step back, but I don't think it's going to really help a lot. If this was happening to men's reproductive organs and these were, perforating their reproductive organs and expelling out of them, this would not be black boxed right now. It would be recalled.
Ricky Mitchell, KGUN-9 on your side.